What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, AC Coolin, aka Big AC, back again with yet another banger. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, when I first seen this pair like being teased and leaked and all that, I was instantly a fan. Now I know some of y'all probably don't really care, you know what I'm saying, for this particular shoe or like the silhouette or any of them. Well, I mean, you already know what shoe I'm talking about. You see the thumbnail, but the Noctas. So the Nocta Hot Step ones came out a few years back. You know, it got like a few, mixed reviews on them. People didn't like them, some people loved them, some people hated them. Me personally, when I first seen them, I was already a fan, like all the Hot Steps. I don't know what it is about just the Nocta shoes, but like something about like just how they look from the Hot Steps to the glides to now the Hot Step 2s I got in the hand right now. Something about them, they all, I don't know, it's like they like a unique looking shoe. So when I seen the Hot Step 2s finally get leaked and announced, I'm like, oh yeah, these joints different. And they came out in that orange colorway, I'm like, you know what, I could probably do something with these. So that being said, man, y'all seen the reel already with like a little, short video and all that good stuff. Y'all seen all that already. Now, you know what I'm saying, I got the full unboxing review for y'all, from me to you know what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and get straight into it. So y'all see already I've jumped. The box itself ain't nothing crazy. This is pretty much all like the Nocta shoes from the glides to the Hot Steps and now the Hot Step 2s pretty much have came in the same, pretty much the same box. All it is just a brown box, like a little gray or whatever color you want to call this on the side. So nothing out of the ordinary, nothing special with the box, just the same box that you always get. Now the size tag does read Nocta Hot Step 2, colorway is total orange and chrome. It is a size 11, which is my size. You always, when it comes to a personal pair, I always get my personal size. So you can get y'all to look at that size tag. All right, y'all see that right there. But enough about the size tag and all that good stuff. Let's get to the review, man. Now I've jumped already. Like, I ain't got to say too much. The shoe gonna speak for itself. But y'all see what it is, man. This, in my personal opinion, is a beautiful colorway and a beautiful silhouette. And I know some of y'all probably thinking, the shoes really ain't all that for you. Y'all don't really like them. Y'all don't like the silhouette. Y'all like the colorway. Y'all see them and y'all automatically assume they trash, ugly, or whatever. Now, I know a lot of people had that same mindset, but me and some people I know, I ain't gonna lie to you. These joints, they like that. Maybe it's the orange itself that makes the shoe pop so much more. I guess the orange and the silver, but like whatever it is about this shoe, whatever the case may be, they did it right in my opinion. Everything down to a T, from the materials to, I mean, they don't feel like, premium, but like it goes with the silhouette. Only thing that I do have a complaint about is the price point. So these did come in at $200 retail. So me personally, I was like, I don't know how I feel about the $200. I know the other ones came in like, I think $160. These were the first ones they decided to go ahead and up that little $40 extra and give y'all that $200. So I was like, when I seen them, like, that might be another reason why they probably won't sell out. But honestly, these ones kind of sold out pretty quick in my opinion. They dropped on Nocta's website, I forget what day it was. I know it was at nighttime. Around 11 p.m. my time, they dropped on the Nocta website. I went ahead and got on there and copied my size. The next morning they dropped on sneakers, and I saw the sneakers really sold out. So I went back to Nocta's website and I saw they was also sold out on there too. So people wanted these apparently. I guess they were kind of somewhat sought after, but I know many people don't really care for like just this silhouette in general. Some people just don't like how orange it is, you know what I'm saying? Orange is a very, you know what I'm saying? It's one of them colors like you gotta do it right, because if you put like one wrong thing on with it, it's gonna throw the whole entire, the whole outfit or whatever the case may be, it's gonna throw it all off. So orange is one of them shoes that you really gotta be particular about. Or one of them colors you gotta be particular about. And me personally, I like orange. I never had a problem with nothing orange. I don't have many orange shoes in my collection, but got one of these now. Got them little Hot Step 2s in my collection now. So finally got one of them orange shoes in my collection. Now, these shoes themselves, they don't really come with nothing crazy, nothing extra. I mean, only thing that I guess you can say crazy about it is just the design of it itself. It kind of gives like an Air Max vibe to an extent. Maybe like I don't know, like a 97 or something like that, 90. I be getting my years mixed up. Don't get mad at me, man. Sometimes I get the 90s and 97s confused, but pretty sure it is a 97, if I'm not mistaken, like the little silver bullets and all that. But yeah, they kind of get maybe too kind of sort of just because of the shape of it maybe, but not exactly all the way. You know what I'm saying? I'm just naming Air Maxes out there kind of, could fall in that category. But overall, like I said, dope shoe, dope details. You get that little silver on the side. I'm a fan of that silver too. I don't know if I can see that Nocta in the actual silver itself. And you get the swooshes all on this side, not on the other side. You got the swooshes all on the little midsole right here, if y'all can see that as well. I don't know if it's kind of, yeah, it's like the little the little midsole area. I'm not sure y'all can see that on camera, but definitely one of them little details that's, in my opinion, it's a dope detail. I'm a fan of these. I like these. Glad I got up in my collection. You know what I'm saying? You got the little outsole of them too as well on the bottom. And we call them the little Dragon Ball Z little logo right there, you know, because it kind of give you that like that little Dragon Ball vibe to it. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if y'all watch any Dragon Ball Z episode. You know the little Dragon Balls they had to catch all of them. But don't they kind of give you that look, you know what I'm saying, the little Dragon Ball Z little vibe to it? I might just be talking crazy, but I kind of see a look, just a little smidge of the Dragon Ball Z. But overall, man, shoe was dope. Beautiful colorway, like I said, nothing crazy with it. Only downside about it is just that $200 price point. But I mean, you look past that, you can get you a nice little amount of fits off with these, in my opinion, man. Definitely a good looking shoe. Definitely one of them ones that a lot of people not gonna really care for them, like I said, but they will turn some heads. This will be a head turner because of that color for sure. But you know what I'm saying, man? This is one of my pairs that I am glad to have in my collection. I'm not proud of the price point. I'm not happy with the price point, but overall, sometimes you just that's just the way of the sneaker game sometimes, man. But overall, dope shoe. You know what I'm saying? Glad to have in my collection once again. Hopefully, if you did want these, you were able to cop for retail and not resale. I know retail is always the goal, but sometimes people do got to pay resale for certain shoes. Hopefully, this wasn't one of the shoes you had to pay resale for, but if it was and you did get them, you happy with it, hey, that's all that matters, man. That's the number one thing, is you happy with your purchase. Because I know for a fact I'm happy with my purchase with these Johns, man. Like I said, if you're new here, man, stay well. Make sure you smash that like button, that subscribe button, and that share button too, man. Make sure you tell a friend and tell a friend. Make sure that friend tell another friend. With all that being said, I appreciate y'all for watching my videos. I'm catching y'all on the next one, man. Peace.